container is have all your application. Right now I have a three application, my tag server, my WordPress. This you can under this container you have the database, you have the files. In the that's the application files. When you click the file under the port, you know which port is open. You can click it. You can do using TCP or to view the application. But the good part is when you click the tag server, you can see where it's located, where is your where the file is, and what's the configuration, like which port is open. You can change it, you can set up, you can making different changes. That's a configuration file. And the mounted is where is like the local. If you change the local, it's changing the source. For example, shared. If you go to this, you update the local, the destination is changed. That's the mount. Configuration, the configure, all the good stuff here. You know, TCP network setting, which port is open. And the thing in another good part is by using that you can see your files, your application file. You don't have to you don't have to using the terminal. You have an overall picture what's going on in your application. This one, this is all in the container. All the files folders are in the container. So if you want to locate your application from here, we can see it's located up top right there, and you can go there, OPT option, go to tag. That's your all. You can update, changing, you know, here. That's the file you want to update. Just update there. Click, right click, and then you can changing it right here. You don't need to go to terminal, and it's much easier for beginner. So that's big part. I really like Docker. You give you an overall picture. So even the database, you can that's a database link, right? And if you want to get more information, you can install some extension. This one is a port navigator. So this one gives you a general idea which ports work relate to which application. For I have a network tag server. I just I click the open the show container. It's showing two container relate to the network, relate to the application tag database and tag server. No tag, yeah, container tag. This one is all the files and all the port relate to the file. So I know A443 is open. So this is very helpful to troubleshooting and give you an overall picture what's going on, right? So even the when you click that, you can see the CPU, which application running the most, which application taking most of the your memory. So you can see that, and you can delay some like non-used application instead of you don't know which application taking most of the CPU or memory. This tutorial just for beginner for to understand why Docker play a big roles. Thank you for watching. See you next time.